Hello my friends, in this video, we have made a list for you the most preferred, child-friendly cafes and patisseries on the Anatolian side of Istanbul. Let's take a look at the cafes where you sip your tea while playing in your child's playground. Of course, if there are other places you know, you can suggest them in the comments. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel. MOMBIE, Suadiye. MOMBIE, the first children's cafe opened on Baghdad Street. It is a place where you can chat with your friends over a nice meal and coffee while the children spend quality time with the activities. While you are breathing, the little ones are playing on the playground or in the sandbox. MOMBIE also hosts birthdays and special celebrations. You can get information at 0216 370 72 22 phone number. Koala Playhouse and Cafe. Koala Playhouse and Cafe. Birthday organizations for children. Baby events such as showers and workshops are organized according to age groups. You can enjoy coffee or tea while the children play in the Koala Playhouse. Phone information is 0216 362 90 70. Academy TuGi. Children's Activity Center with Cafe Area. While you are breathing in this wonderful place, which has really educational and entertaining workshops, the little ones both learn and play on the playground or in the sandbox. The phone number is 0542 249 0804. Walnut Patisseries. Venue specializing in creative cakes, baklava and pastries, as well as local and international cuisine. Patisserie with playground, breakfast and brunch are also available. You can get extensive information from the phone number 0216 212 0818. Cafe Fio. The cafe with a playground is very nice inside, but it is informed later that the playground is paid. It is located at the address of Suadiye Mahallesi, Kadıköy. For current price information, you can call 0216 771 7405, phone number. Mariposa For Kids. Mariposa, which presents the concept of a bookstore and a game workshop together for kids, is a cafe where you can have a pleasant time while your children attend workshops and activities. In fine weather, you can enjoy food and drinks in the cafe while the children play in the playground in the garden. For more information, you can call 0533 460 62 74 phone number. Villa Vanilla. It is a wonderful place with a children's activity center with a cafe area, birthday organization, playground, playgroup and parent participation workshops. You can also get information from the phone number 0544 599 20 20. Wapyon Buyaka. With the children's workshop and entertainment center with a cafe area, in the Buyaka shopping center, children, regardless of age, gain a sense of responsibility that develops with their aesthetic perception, decision-making ability, individuality and right to choose, while creating art. You can get information at 0537 208 23 91 phone number. House of Felis. In Sekmeköy, serving as a cafe and restaurant, House of Felis hosts many events. With the program content specially prepared by expert trainers, they organize children's workshops with parent playgroups that will appeal to every child from 18 months. For detailed information about the workshops, 0216 639 10 12 phone number. Pükkan Cafe. Asabatum is a center that has a cafe, children's bookstore, game and workshop area, store and organizes birthday organizations. For more information, you can call 0532 603 40 77 phone number. MEGI Kids Bakers. MEGI Kids located in Isarkent, while children age 0 to 6 socialize, have fun in the activities that support their development in the company of experts, and have fun in the playground, while parents can enjoy your meal and drink your coffee in its cafe with a wide menu range. You can call 0543 656 63 44 phone number for the current price. Social Kids Cafe Maltepe. Here is another place where you can drink coffee while the children are playing. Workshop organizations are prepared for each age group by the most expert teachers in their fields, and the program is published in advance. You need to make a reservation to attend the workshops. You can make reservations at 0545 580 73 48 phone numbers. Sado Plus. Since 2015, Sado Plus has been providing its guests with an environment where all age groups can enjoy their time with its 4,000 square meter usage area on Maltepe Idealty Beach. You can get up-to-date information from the phone number 0216 417 72 86. Mahall Cafe and Lounge. You can visit Mahall Cafe with birthday organizations throughout all 4 seasons. The organization terrace with a view of the islands for 300 people, children's playgrounds, zoo, oki game halls, hookah varieties, and a peaceful atmosphere. Phone number is 0216 459 03 63. Monna Cafe. World cuisine in a cafe with playground. You can visit it at Addisare as a location. You can reach at 0216 688 34 44, telephone number. Bubu Island. Children's Entertainment Center with cafe area. It is located in the Metropole Shopping Center, and you can visit the open address at the entrance of Metropole Mall C Block Garden Side. You can get information from 0850 241 28 28 phone numbers. Kidslandia. The game, entertainment, and activity center takes our children between the ages of 1 to 9. For working hours, you can get information by calling 0553 898 3403 and address information at 11 a.m. in the morning and 20 p.m. in the evening. Happy Kids Corner. Place you can choose for playground, workshop, events, cafe, birthday organizations. Playgroups consisting of development supportive activities and games are organized every week in the presence of psychologists and play therapists. You can call 0537 544 03 73 phone numbers to get information about the programs. Tuzla Kids Entertainment Center and Party House. Children's Play Center with cafe area. It is open between 10 o'clock and 19 p.m. on the day with services such as the Playground Workshop Cafe, closed on Mondays. Phone 0552 84.705 42 for information. The playgrounds cafes, which I will mention now, are outdoor playgrounds, and you can only choose them on nice days. Alibaba's Farm and Restaurant. An unforgettable birthday for your loved ones, baby. The most ideal place for a shower, the circumcision wedding, which is one of the most special moments of your boy, the children's social entertainment parties on April 23rd, and Alibaba's Farm, which is an ideal place for your special days, you can visit at. For detailed information, you can call 0549 637 07 24, telephone number. Pelit Patisserie's. Place I would recommend on Maltepe Beach. You will be very satisfied. Also, your children have incredible fun in the patisserie, which has an outdoor playground. You can get information at 0216 370 72 22 phone number. Story Garden Erenkoi. It has various activities for the age range from 18 months to 11 years. It has activities such as music and movement workshops, creative movement and body awareness, especially for the 18 to 48 months. Phone information 0216 359 7701. We have come to the end of one of our videos. Please do not forget to write a comment if you have any cafes that we missed, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We wish you a good time.